realise it was going to be a cutscene and a cutscene. Well,
what do we do?
We kill bitches up.
Your father trusts
Let's
me.
go. Tiki, trust me.
Too, and do exactly as I say. I'm gonna get you home safe.
Okay.
Hopefully she's not as annoying in this one. Oh, I remember it's Leon! Help! Oh god, of course it's coming in, but I didn't lead it all yet. God damn, bro. What are you doing?
Alright, let's get the hell out of here.
Can I go grab that loot first? Is this your phone? Sigma Gamma 5 Pi P. You not wanna go down and join him, Prayer? And end up playing on Reaper all night, so it's slept after that. How many hours did you get on it then? Like a good few in. I'm like 6,000 maybe. Or so. Right, I'm gonna need your help. Get the ladder. Do something. Yes, go get the ladder. Hurry, hurry, bro. Quietly. Quietly.
There's no way out.
Oh yeah? Well, fine. We gotta jump through the window. Oh, is that for the bow? I don't want it. I don't want shit for the bolt gun, bro. I don't want that gun. It's shit. I hate it. I give it him back. Because it's that bad. Can I talk to her? Hi. Hey. What are you saying? Does this bother you? 15 hours now, I think. Oh, I thought the game was like 12 hours long or something. Oh, who's this new streamer? Hey up, brand new sexy ass streamer out here. What are you saying, hun? How's it going? Hope you can get out here.
Okay.
Have you been?
Okay,
How's your day been? How's work been? Have you finished work? Are you still working right now? Hope it's going well. Thank you so much. Man, I really appreciate it. Dude,
Hey,
hurry up.
Trust me.
Jump for me, honey. Dude. You're lucky I'm not up there because I just pushed you fucking out. I thought we were having a moment. You all dressed up and dolled up. I big tried out it. I big tried. I don't think it was gonna get here in time, but it actually came today. Thankfully. If you don't gotta ring her again.
Roost, I've secured Baby Eagle.
Yeah, I like it. I like the dress. I think the wig's a bit
Affirmative.
Well done, Condor One.
out of play.
I'll dispatch a chopper ASAP.
But I did try.
Sending you the coordinates
We'll
for
say
the
I did
extraction
put the
point.
makeup up, I think.
And don't let anything happen to
It's kind of
Baby
like
Eagle.
hard to come through because you don't really have that much
The weather's
on.
getting worse.
I
Brace
just
up.
overdid the eyes, I think. Bye.
On me.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Hang on.
Oh, I could have just stealth killed her, can I?
Oh god! What is wrong with these people?
Have you only just figured that out now? Oh, fucking hell, dude, hi! You're not gonna all charge at me like that, bro. No. One down. Oh. Dude, don't! You dare. Hey, why are you going through, bro? I ain't fucking shooting at you. Oh, has he got a fucking thing on his head? Ow. Bro. Oh. You're gonna have to wait a sec. Just get choked out. You like that, though. Dude, I'm a little bit busy! Oh. Oh. That loud, innit? Dude, fucking move! God, Ashley. Oh, what am I doing? I forgot that's a thing. Right, just get out my way a sec. Don't you dare, bro. Oh my god. Please, but please. I wasted one. Are you still alive? No. Yeah, I'm a beat the fuck out of you. What is that? Oh, they kind of look weird, like. Oh, for fuck's sake, bro. How is this guy still alive? Move out my way, you fucking bitch. Oh my god. Use your flashbang. Oh, that is true. I think I've got one actually. I do. I got two.
Look away.
I told you to look away. Told you to look away.
Out of the way.
Yeah, out of the way. Is that fucking turning? Oh my god, bro. Why's there gotta be so many? I don't think I could do this and how I get shit on fucking normal. Dude. Is he turning as well? Reload, reload, reload. Oh my god, there's fucking three of them. Hurry up. Dude. Right. We're fine. We're fine. Good job this guy doesn't see my flashlight, right? Dude, can you crouch faster? Oh, why is it using the kitchen now? Use the actual knife, bro. Right. I don't know what's down here. I'm presuming it's like a stealthy way to get up there, maybe. Is there anyone else here? Oh, there's people out there waiting. Don't see anything, bro. So I cleared this place out, basically, and now I'm gonna do it again. Right, I can get behind him from here, I think. Oh. Oh, of course you turn around now, bro. Is he after me? Uh-oh. Are you fucking shitting me? You're a bitch, bro. You waited and everything. Right, I'm gonna use the other gun just so I can get the ammo out of it! Are you fucking serious? Get out. Oh my god. Don't know where Ashley is right now, but I'm presuming she's fine. Well, you motherfucking astronaut. Done. Oh, fucking hell, dude. Oh, I reloaded it anyway. I just do it out of fucking habit. Dude, I just shot you and you still managed to throw it at me. Oh my god. You're a bitch. Honestly, bro.
You're in the way.
Yeah, you're in the way. Move it. Oh my god. Fuck this. Oh my dude. Stop moving so much. Why is it like weird with the scope now? It's a weird night when it dies. Right, is that everyone? Are still here, bitches? Right, I'm presuming there's like loot everywhere because they got new barrels, even though I've already been here. So maybe there is.
Definitely gonna catch a cold.
Is that what you're worried about? A cold? Let's hope Ashley doesn't catch a cold out there. Oh. Now what? Oh, of course it's fucking that. Of course it's that, bro. I think there's a mobile over there. Dude, why are you still up there? Jeez, woman. What are you doing? Is there an herb up here? I bet I saw it. Must have just been like the board on it. Yeah, but we're not doing great. Please, hon. Boom, you're a dunner. What is this? Oh. Right, what other loot have you got? I'm finding loot, bro. You think I just spawn ammo? No. I'm gonna look for it. Oh my god, where are you?
Okay.
But you're gonna done over. Oh my, every fucking time, dude. Every fucking time. Oh my god. Dude, can you please move? Reload. Yeah, for a minute right now. Dude. You serious, bitch? Right as I'm about to do something to that fucker. And we'll try to grab Ashley and carry it off before you too far. And this we'll get away with someone game over. Dude, well, I'm kind of getting done over here. You know, kind of a lot going on. Can you move from him then? She'll contemplate. She's searching down. She's attacked again. Yeah, I might just lose here because I kind of can't get over there. Dead yet? Dude. Hurry.
Come on.
Oh, I don't have any left. Oh, no. Oh, you're alright. You're fine. I'm not fucking fine. Ashley, help me! Oh my god, bro. Dead? Oh, I missed it. Move it. Start going back. Finally, it's because I'm like, I'm gonna use this upper gun just so I can use the ammo and not use it anymore, and I keep fucking reloading. Am I alright? It's okay, we can have a little boogie on the bridge, hon. You like it? No? Oh, now you wanna help? Now you wanna help, bro. Uh-huh. Is it because I got Ashley from me? You wanted to save me because Ashley's here now? Fucking rude. Look at Leon's not happy.
Hey, listen, about earlier.
Yeah, about that.
Oh, Leon. Leon's sexy when he's angry. Him.
Senorita.
Oh.
Senorita has a name and it's Ashley. You are?
Name's Luis. Encantado.
Great.
Mm,
We all have
got a little
names.
bees out here.
Now then. Who are you? And what are you doing here?
Very good questions, unfortunately.
Hide, now.
Hide, hon.
In that
Don't get in my way.
Here, help me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's this. I remember this bit, dude. Basically a full survival bit. And I don't have any ammo for it. Damn, bruh. I've got no rifle ammo, so if one of them fucking head bitches come at me, I'm fucked. Dude, hurry up. I need help. Yeah. Can you help me set up? Bro? Oh, I should have done that one. Is there no more? Is there no more? Hurry, dude. Get some planks or something. What are you doing? Oh, there's nothing. Move this. Move it, bro. God, you're useless. Right, that's boarded. Can I put anything over here? Yeah, can you kill them? Because I'm kind of short on ammo. Oh, damn, bro. Right, once I'm done with this. Nice. Dude! Why couldn't you cover my back, bro? Oh. Damn, bro. Thank you. Hey! How did you grab me already, dude? Right, I'm moving. I'm going upstairs. I need more loot. Gimme. What is that? Resources. I need the other one. I need rifle ammo. Anything over here? Just a little block. Oh, I guess you could snipe them or something from here. How are you up here, bro? Dude, how did you still grab me? Oh, I'm dead. I was trying to, like, break free and fucking use the knife. I had to wait till my health was basically gone.
You'd shut up, we'd be good to go.
Yeah, shut up, bro. I'm just loot up as much as I can first. So, you'll be good on your own a sec, right? I need some loot. Like anything. Because you don't give you time to prepare, unfortunately. Is anything in here? I can't open it. Zoom are coming upstairs. No? Me got this? Oh! Why have you been doing that the whole time, bro? Weird. Ah! Is there no, like, dodge button in this? I'm a little bit busy. Bro. Oh, fucking hell, bro. I need a heal. Oh my god. What's that? Oh, nice. Oh my god, dude. Oh. Bro. I hate these fuckers. Because they take quite a bit to fucking die for some reason. And they're fucking speedy and crabby. No. Did I reload it? Okay, this gun's so much better. That's why I don't want to, like, keep using. Kill it. Thank you. Is there anybody up here? No. Right. How's it looking down here? Got it? See? We haven't even gone through this fucking window. Oh, nice. Bro. Is that all you got? Okay. Well, we buy some ladders. It's in my way, bro. Go. Why am I doing it all, dude? You can do it too, you know? This is what I was worried about, bro. Right, it's fine, it's fine. I got a bunch of hunting ammo. Right, watch my ass for a sec, bro. Thanks. Where did that come from? Dude. Okay, okay. What's all me? What's all me, bro? Oh, yes, yes. Right, I'm doing this window. I can't do it because some fucker's in it, you bitch. Dude, there's no way I missed that. The pain. The pain, bro. Oh, I thought you were my friend. Oh, well, that is not a good sign. Right, let me just board this just in case so you wanna carry on coming downstairs. Ow! Right, put that together. Jesus Christ.
I've been waiting, hero boy.
Have you? 'Cause you haven't fucking killed them yet. Oh my god, thank you! Thank you, bro. Oh my god. I'm trying, bro! I'm trying! Dude, why did you want to go upstairs? The fucking death trap up there, dude. Like, no room. Oh, why are they coming for me, bro? Thank you. For what? Oh. No. Yeah. Yeah, just a bit. Dude. Oh my god, bro. They're fucking everywhere. Ah, bro, I didn't realize you were right there. Oh my god, me. Jeez. Oh, yeah. I'm getting done over. I'm getting done over so bad, bro. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts.
This way, hurry!
Where is that? Where is that? Oh, thank you for taking me there. Oh my god, bro. That was some painful shit out here. Oh, god. Well. Bye, bitches. You stay out there. Good job they can't fucking get through that, apparently. So we're fine. We're fine. What, wait, where did you go, though? How did you know what door to go through, huh?
Ashley.
Oh, she's not looking too good out there. What'd they give you, huh?
Is this the first time you've coughed up blood like this?
You want to start explaining?
The cough,
You know.
the blood, is caused by something called plaga.
Plaga. Plague? Plaga.
You saw those people.
Oh, you turn it into one of
You
them.
have the same thing inside you. The same thing that made them like that. This, what you're experiencing, these symptoms. They're only the beginning.
It goes 11. It's cool. It's cool. Well, it's too late.
Lucky. You see, at this early stage, the parasite, the plaga, it is possible to remove it. With the
Well,
certain
Aunt Leon got it as well, so...
What you need is some know-how. And oh yeah, the right equipment.
Wait, you two?
No worries. See, I have a plan.
Yeah. Should we trust you?
But you're going to have to trust me.
Mm-hmm. Do you trust him after the first time you met? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, he does.
No time for any questions. The clock is ticking.
Plus, I mean, he did let you into the building, so...
Let's leave it at that. We'll contact you.
Where a bunch of them came, so maybe it was a trap. You know? Oh, chapter end. Nice. What we on now? Chapter 6. Yeah, let's save it. Chapter 6, so what? We got about 10 more to go. Can't remember. And we're doing alright. Made good progress so far. But we're on like chapter 3 yesterday. So we've done 2 chapters, so we're doing alright. 8. Sexy boy out of.
Got a smoke?
I do. The kind you like.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look. Here she is, and I look nothing like her.
And you really should.
I'm sorry, Ada, hon, I tried.
What a good job I did. Busted my ass and managed to hide it right before I got caught.
I make you a sauce.
Is why I'm still alive.
The deal was, we get you out of here when you
She's got a
deliver the
different eye
ammo.
makeup. She's got like
No
red
ammo.
eyeshadow there. She had like brown in the other one. That's what I was going from.
Such a stickler for details.
Big pen. Yeah.
Okay then.
I had a big babies. Mm. Damn, you're looking good, huh? I should have covered them boots too. Mm. What's that? Oh, okay, never mind.
This is Roost. I've got some bad news, Condor One.
What is
With weather
that?
like this, the chopper can't make its approach. Can you stand by until it clears?
Negative. Too dangerous.
Yeah,
We're gonna get out of here and find someplace safe.
I'm sure
sorry.
that's gonna work
I
out.
wish I could do more to help.
Do you though?
We'll swim home if we have to. Condor 1, out.
You don't give a shit, bro.
Let's go.
Over here.
Spread out!
God.
On me!
Right. I need you to jump. Can you jump down from this now? 'Cause I need you to jump down. Can I jump down? Can I jump down? Oh my god, dude. Jesus fucking. Right, sort this bitch out. She gets grabbed all the time. Right, you know what? I'm gonna just snipe this bitch right away. There's another one. There's another fire bitch somewhere else. Because I need to stay at the bottom. Because Ashley doesn't fucking jump. I don't think. So if I can just go out. What are you doing? Oh my god. Just gotta deal with this motherfucker. He takes way too much ammo. Can I open this door? How did they open it, dude? Oh my god. I thought that door opened because it was open before. But I guess only they can open it, right? There we go. Dude. The one behind me? No, it's fucking no. You know, we should be good to go this time around. Let me snipe you. And you, bro. It's just you now, my guy. You dead? Oh my god, of course. Not one of them stepped in that trap. apart from me, huh?
Are you all right?
What is this?
Stay here.
Yeah, slayinn there. Slayinn there. And don't come out. So I can be at peace for a little bit. She actually in there. You like my boogies now? You got no trees now. But you can see through the little gap. I hope so. Hide in this one instead, actually. No, just because it's downstairs. Oh. Oh. Fuck me. Damn, Leon, you got those slick moves, I see. I'm gonna need you to hide, hon. Like, why is it gotta be two?
Sorry, didn't realize it was yours.
What is it? Oh, it's a key. Hide!
I am flattered.
Hide!
Type of guy.
Hide!
Wait here.
Go in that fucking thing, dude. I swear to God, I will kill you myself. Can I not jump through there? Oh. Don't tell me I gotta kill them. I gotta kill them in here, don't I? In this tiny ass space. Oh no, the door's open. Oh. Dude, let me out! Let me out! God, bro. I need to kill him to get the key. Well, that looks like a fun party. Oh. Jeez, Christ. Yep, goes to loving, let's go. Oh, that is one of them fucking bitches right now, dude. Bubba skin incoming. Billy skin. Why not, bro? Oh, you just killed your own guy. I'm gonna use all my ammo for this, hopefully they don't come for the flankers. Where's the other chain out of here? Okay, one of them's dead. The other one's dead. Okay, never mind. Only one of them's dead. Oh my God. We're actually doing alright. See the difference, we actually have space to move in. Oh, hi, I didn't realise you were so close. Really off these to me. Just take all your monies. Oh, that is painful shit. Oh, dude. I go from doing alright-ish to doing this bad. Yeah, give me breakers, one. Can you die? Because I've got these bitches running at me. I can't. I don't want to get done over by the chainsaw.
Stay down, alright?
Oh, for fuck's sake, dude. That's one. I think this is the last guy, hopefully. Boom. Fucking hell. Oh, I got that. Did I tell you to come out? What are you doing? I didn't tell you to come out yet. God, you could have died. You could have got grabbed. That wouldn't have been good for me, would it? I'm gonna have to stop everything. Just come save your ass. Right, was there anything else in here that I missed? Before I got distracted by sexy chainsaw lady over here, timber. Nope. Pick up monies. Gee, a better kit. You could just do that in one. Right.
Come on.
Yeah, hurry up. Oh, what's this? Dude, I don't have the gun. Oh, it's this, isn't it? Right, here we go. It's the only kit I have, apparently.
Are you hurt?
Because I apparently got all the treasures things from that chest thing.
You did well back there. Seems this isn't your first time running from
What, by hiding a locker? What do you mean?
That's meant to be a compliment.
Beautiful. I might need to get that super singer if it's just gonna start pulling me ammo though.
Alright.
I don't really think. So it's actually alright for the weird petty guys. Hey. How do you like that? Oh. I guess he didn't. Dude, fucking run. He just grabbed your ass. Why you got in here, huh? Show them skills off, bro. Am I fighting this guy? Away from the villagers. Okay, so now. I just need to stun him. Fucking run, dude. Just run. Wow. What is this? Oh. Dude, I need to be far from it. I like how there's a yellow blob there, just like this way. Oh my god, dude, this way I don't wear boots. Nice, Leon. Good shot out there. Fucking run then. And feels bad out here. Feels bad, honey. Oh, because you'll just have to wait till another time. Oh, feels bad. Don't miss me too much, honey. Don't miss me. You know he will. Yeah.